I have a new set. This is a pair of kitchen utensils, perfect for so many applications in meal prep. So let's check them out. Oh, and in addition to the actual utensils, you have these hooks. If you decide you want to hang them, you're good to go. These are super nice. We've got silicone covering the top part of them, so they'll protect your fine cookware and keep it from scratching and ultimately having to replace it, and wooden handles so you don't have to grab a pot holder. They're safe to use. This one has a really good scoop shape, so it'll be great for serving as well as cooking and stirring. And this spoon has some grip to it, so it's going to be perfect for that as well. They're nice enough to serve at the table, but they're really utilitarian in the kitchen. Might want to notice here that they have these little lips, so if you need to set it on the side of a pan, you can do that and it will rest safely. I think this set would make a great gift for someone who's trying to set up a new kitchen or refresh the things you have if you've been cooking for a while.